Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data, so back up to your Google account or local storage first. Next, confirm what lock type you use: PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, or face, because the removal path varies. Once done, go directly to Settings, then to Security or Lock Screen and Password. Make sure you can authenticate with your current method. Otherwise, you'll hit Account Verification later. Now you're in the right menu and ready to change the lock settings step by step. You authenticate with your existing PIN, password, or pattern to unlock the menu. This confirms you own the device. Then choose None or Swipe to remove the secure lock. If those options are grayed out, you may switch to biometric only, but note that biometrics alone sometimes still require a backup PIN. Make sure to check device admin apps and any work profile controls, because those can prevent disabling the lock. Once you select the new option, the system will apply the change immediately. You finish by rebooting the device and testing. Wake the screen and confirm it no longer asks for the previous lock. If the None option was unavailable, check for factory reset protection or device admin, remove any work or device management accounts and revoke admin rights, then try again. If the phone still forces a lock, back up and perform a factory reset. Make sure you know the Google account credentials used on the device, because you'll need them after reset. This one troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.